Sample Project Car Engine Assembly. First step, the My Profile folder contains an overview of SKTP University College of Engineering in PDF format. On to the second step, the My Project folder contains an overview of the Toyota Corolla E100 in PDF format. Thirdly, the following folders contain the respective files. Project Animation folder contains the Toyota Corolla E100 animation video. Project Assembly folder contains the Toyota car assembly animation video. Project Thumbnail folder contains an image of the Toyota Corolla E100 in JPG format. Project Components folder contains components such as the engine, gearbox, brakes, steering system, suspension, and chassis. Next, the detailed folders for specific components contain Component Brief folder contains a PDF with information about Toyota e-engines. Component Animation folder contains an animation video on how a car engine works. Component Assembly folder contains the engine assembly video. Component Parts folder contains detailed information on 13 parts, such as the engine block, combustion chamber, cylinder head, etc. Lastly, the folders for specific parts contain Crankshaft Pulley folder contains a PDF with details about the crankshaft pulley, a removal video, and the STL file. Cylinder Head Gasket folder contains a PDF with information about the cylinder head gasket and a removal video. You can find this SkyTOP sample project in our SkyTOP construct platform. All you need is to register, subscribe, and view.